Alright you guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing something fun, kind of boring, but something much needed. As you can tell, right here on the Shelby, I'm missing a chunk out of the front splitter. I was going down the road, a guy kicked up something in front of me. I didn't have enough time to swerve, not hit it, and it took a chunk out. So I've had the part for probably a month now. I'm just now getting around to it. But it was very interesting to order this. You cannot just call Shelby and say, hey, I need a splitter for a 2014 Shelby GT350. And they're like, yeah, okay, it's going to be $600 or $700. Let's do the payment on over the phone. No, that's not how it works. I had to give them the VIN off the car, had to take a picture of the VIN, take a picture of the CSM number, take a picture of the car to make sure that CSM matched with the car, making sure it was black with silver stripes. I had to have proof of ownership. So I had to send them a picture of the title, and if I wouldn't have had the title, he said registration would have worked, but I sent them a picture of both that had our names on it. Then I had to show proof of damage. So I had to send them a picture of the chunk missing out of this thing. Luckily, they do not make this part in-house. It's something they source outside, so they don't have a lot of them, and that's part of the reason why you have to do that. But they also don't want people to make clones of these cars. So I am going to keep this one in case there's one day that I need another one and I can't buy one. I'll see if I can't get this one repaired. So we're going to keep it and see what we can, just in case. Devin told me please don't do that again, but shit happens. So the splitter itself was like, I think $600-700, and then shipping, after shipping I paid about $1,000 to get it here. Come in a box that's probably 6 foot long and probably 3 foot wide, and it was flat full of packing peanuts. So anyways, come with new pop rivets, so we're gonna get these out. Devin was hoping we don't have to lay under the car. I think we're gonna have to. We might take the bumper off. I don't know if he's going to want to go in there. For those of you who don't know, Mustangs have a screw in here that you have to take off to be able to pop it out of place. So I don't know if he's going to want to do that or if we're just going to lay under it. It's only, I think it was like 18 pop rivets. So, but yeah, we're going to get to it. Alright you guys, excuse the messy shop. Messy shop. Got a bunch of parts in here still for Becky, but we got these Shelby jacked up. Got it jacked on both sides. Of course, the wheels are chalked in the back, and we put these under here since we're going to be working under the front lip. This is the new one, as you guys can see. I think the plan is, since they're pop riveted on, we're going to drill them out, right? Yep. Going to drill them out, make sure. Luckily, this already comes pre-drilled with pre-holes on it, so hopefully everything will line up good and everything will be happy, and it'll be easy. I'll do some little clips in between, but it's not anything too ridiculous. I'll definitely take some clips up under the Shelby for you guys. Those of you who may have wondered what the underside of the Shelby looks like, these are actually supposed to be up here, and they come out where the fog lights are on the front bumper. But these are all the little pop rivets we have. Devin's gonna
drill all these pop rivets out, and we're going to put all new ones back in. Here's my drill bit. It's just a little bit bigger than the hole, which I could go down one and probably be okay. That might do. Just taking a look and see what we got going on. Looks like we're missing a screen.
Yeah.
It's okay. This is just getting fresh air to the brakes anyway.
Yeah. Well, like I said, they used to be fed through to the bumper where the fog lights are, but the previous owner added the fog lights and changed that.
Yeah, I like the back side of the rotor.
We'll get some new ones eventually. But yeah, this is what the underside of the Shelby looks like. I'm missing the exhaust bolts right there. I need to fix that, but yeah. Anyways, well, we'll catch up with you guys here in a little bit. Alright, so excuse the fan because it's kind of hot, but Devin got the old one off, as you can see. Some really dirty. It has some extra holes that the new one does not have. This one's also plastic. This one's fiberglass, or at least has a fiberglass backing. So I don't know if this is a newer model and that's an older model, or if this is an older model and that's a newer one. I don't know, a lot of the parts I noticed on the car were manufactured in 2011. Like that's when Shelby built them, so maybe that was the case with this and they got some restock and realized they didn't need those holes. Or previous owner could have went in there and added them. I don't know. Can't give you an answer, but this one has 25 holes, the new one has 18. So, yeah. And here's the Shelby naked without its lip. It looks kind of funny. Alright, you guys. It is back on. Me and Devin are about to probably both try to drop this down at the same time. Alright, you guys, the Shelby is down. We got the new lip on here. Everything went pretty smoothly. I'm not going to complain. It was pretty straightforward. I did a couple of pop rivets. Devin did most of them. He did not want me under the car just in case, God forbid, it fell. But, I mean, we had pretty good safety measures. But that's okay. I understand. I was going to move it out in the sun for you guys. But Joey took my parking spot. So we'll wait till he lives and we'll move it back over here. But anyways, you guys, I hope y'all have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe if y'all haven't already. And y'all hustle harder.